Right now I'm recording and saying something in Yeti Classic. Right now I'm not saying anything. I'm saying anything but not recording, typing. This is just typing. Now I will change the mic. Now I have changed the mic. Okay, I can check that it's the correct mic. Now I am speaking to the mic, not typing anything. Now I am typing something to the mic. This doesn't seem as disruptive as when I had the Yeti microphones. Now I've switched to the Yeti microphones. I'm bringing it closer to me. Now I have it close to me. And I will reduce the gain. I have reduced the gain. Now I'm typing something. And now I'm speaking something but not typing. Now I'm speaking and typing together. And let's see how it works.